Repeating, a late wind advisory has been issued from noon until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Bath, Menifee, Morgan, and Rowan. The statement is, for the following counties: in Kentucky, Elliott, Estill, Johnson, Goffin, Menifee, Morgan, Powell, Rowan, and Wolf. The National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a red flag warning, which is in effect from noon today to 6 p.m. this evening. Wind, southwest winds of 10 to 20 miles per hour, with gusts of 30 to 35 miles per hour are expected this afternoon. Humidity, relative humidities will bottom out between 20 and 25% this afternoon. Impacts, any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Repeating, a red flag warning has been issued from noon until 6 p.m. for the following counties: in Kentucky, Elliott, Estill, Johnson, Goffin, Menifee, Morgan, Powell, Rowan, and Wolf. Now for the official National Weather Service for...
All right. Let's see here. Let's see. This is it right here. Red flag warning. Position in Channel 2's area 2. Let's bring out the good old WR. See how well I can Channel 2. Hold up. All right, now. Hey. All right, let's put this back. Damn it. There.